Hello my people and welcome to the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. Listen to the headlines of today's news. I made effort to reduce my fleet of cars to cut costs, Tinubu states. On today's news, Bola Ahmed Tinubu claims to have reduced his fleet of cars in order to cut costs. This is something I'm curious about, but let's dig into it as we read the news in full. President Bola Tinubu has said he had made effort to reduce the fleet of cars in his convoy aimed at reducing the cost of governance, but was advised against such decision. The Nigerian Labour Congress NLC President Joe Ajaero made this known on Monday while revealing the details of organized Labour's private meeting with the president at the State House in Abuja last Wednesday. Appearing on channel television Politics Today on Monday, Ajaero said President Tinubu also told the Labour leaders that he tried to use his private jet for official duties, but was advised against it due to security concerns. He said President Tinubu took his own case for example. He told her that if he needed to come to his fleet of cars, that it was large and he made effort to reduce it, and he was told that it's a security issue. He equally went further to say that he prefers to use his own private jet, and they told him no. It's a security issue, he must use the government jet. And he went further to say even himself that he's using only a 2-bedroom flat, that he's trying as much as possible to tighten his belt, and he will try as much as possible to talk to his people working in things. So I don't know what that means. Hello my people, welcome to today's news once again. We can see that President Tinubu has come out to say that he recently wanted to reduce the fleet of cars in order to reduce costs of things happening in the country. If you remember that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been trolled recently online concerning his fleet of cars and how much it costs. But today President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is coming out to say that even he himself is not comfortable with it. That on many occasions he has wanted to change, he has wanted to reduce the cost of the cost, but he was advised no because they believe that it's a security issue. And as the president, there's a certain number of convoy that must go with him during each movement for his safety. He even claimed to say that he prefers to use his private jet to fly. But his cabinet has advised him otherwise, saying that he must use the government's jet for security reasons. Bola Ahmed Tinubu also stated that he lives in a 2-bedroom apartment. In this news, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is telling us that he himself is tightened up and is not living extravagant as people think he is living. But we all know that according to the popular opinion and public opinion about this, President Tinubu has been trolled online recently with the claim that the cost of his convoy is too much. But he's coming out to say that even he himself is not comfortable with it, but then it's something he cannot deal without, as it is a matter of security. But then he's going further to say that he's still talking with them to know what can be done to resolve this. My people, this is the news for today. Let me know what you think about this news in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and most importantly, if you are not following the Cubanas TV, please do so now. Click on the red button and subscribe to this channel now so that I can be updated on every news we post daily.